If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Cause see, I ain't got time for a wimp. I want a real who gon' stick with me. I want some real who gon' pimp with me. If you ain't trying to get a bag, then dip. Alright, you guys, so I have my little setup and stuff going on. I'm actually about to show y'all. Y'all really won't see too much face. I want y'all to be able to just focus on what I got going on here. So that's what we're about to do. About to fix the computer. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my handy dandy glasses because we're gonna need that. Excuse the light because I have my light coming down. Because we don't want to do this blind. Get you a video if you've never done this, y'all. I'm really kind of a little freaking scared, to be honest, because I really just don't have the time to be shit up.
Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well.
So the video is like 25 minutes. Alright.
So that is my model right here. And
get our tools
let's get
out.
started. So the first bit is the MacBook Pro M1.
Excuse if y'all hear that man in the background. He's telling me what to do.
And let's get started. So the first thing we need to have is a Antelope 5 screwdriver. And we'll be removing the screw here.
Hold on, man. Mine don't. Wait a minute, sir. He said something about a some T5. Let's see. Okay. Okay, yeah. He said to use a T5 on the video. But I'm going to be honest. My so-called T5 is not fitting in there. So, let's try this, why this comes off? I don't know. Let's try a T3. Okay, that ain't working. We're gonna try them all out. Okay. So I end up having to use, for mine, this is a 1.2 by 30 millimeter. It don't even have a T on it. So I'm just going to, I'm gonna try to put them in the orders that I got them from so that I don't get them confused. So now once we done did that part, I think I gotta go in here like this or something.
To be tiny enough to go in between the back cover.
So,
alright, so in between the back cover and the base of your laptop. Well,
hold on. So he went in a corner and just did like that. Oh, this stressing me out. I don't like this. Hold up.
I'm using my fingernail holding at it. I'm just gonna pop it.
Nah.
Just give it a little click because there's no screw here on the side.
Oh, I can't.
It's just a clipper that clips onto the back cover, so you need to separate them.
I don't want to do that part, sir. Let's see. We got any other tools to help us? Because that man said, just pop it. I don't want to do that. That don't sound like something you should do. Okay, I was in there, and now I'm not. How do I get back in here? He said... Oh, he's stressing me out. Is he at the top of his computer or at the bottom? I think he at the bottom. Let's see. I want to do it exactly. Yeah, he at the bottom. Let's start. Tell me what to do.
Tiny, some of the symptoms that you may find on a bad LCD screen. Okay? So let's go ahead and
I don't like this.
Get yourself a metal prying tool. You want it to be...
Yep, he at the bottom. So he down here. Oh. Okay. Alright, now what? Because I'm straight.
In between that back cover. Alright, so in between the back cover and the base of your laptop, while I'm using my fingernail holding at it, I'm just going to pop it. You hear that little click? Because there's no screw here on the side. It's just a clipper that clips onto the back cover. So you need to separate that clipper.
That almost gave me a heart attack.
Use a little bit of a force to push the back clip and let it pop. Alright, once you have the both sides.
How long? Because I got to get my other side. I'm stressed out, sir.
Clipper unlock. You want to slide the back cover down.
So he said,
so meaning you're going to slide this back cover
slide
down
this
towards
part down towards you.
So you're sliding it down, and that way you can move the entire back cover. So I was telling you.
Hold on. Wait the hell a minute. Okay, mine not sliding, so. Okay, mine not sliding. What I'm supposed to do? It ain't sliding, y'all. Let me see what's on
the
there.
clipper is referring to these both ends. They're clipping.
Okay. Ooh, I got it. My screen dusty. Let me move y'all position. Ooh, this is so dusty. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I went and got some makeup brushes so that I could just clean this off. These are brand new, never been used. And I just want to dust off as much as I can because there's so much stuff on here. You want to use whatever is clean to kind of get stuff off, and I'm going to just throw these makeup brushes away. I really wish I had some air in the can. My vent seems to look good, and I'm being careful even with blowing. You don't want to blow no little spit or nothing.
Laptop.
This is the internal part of your laptop.
Opportunity to go ahead and dust off your fan.
And see, he said to dust off your fan and stuff. My fan was pretty good. It wasn't really dusty like that. There are though other parts of my computer that are dusty. Okay.
Peel off this little
this is your
cover.
Hold on, man. This the battery, so we're gonna peel off this little plastic cover. I ain't like that. Okay. We're just gonna sit that there to the side. Okay.
At this point here, you see the little.
Hold up, sir. Y'all, this man move fast. Okay, so I'm gonna take this just a little squeegee, and he's gonna take this battery right here up.
Tape that is taping
Or
down
tape.
the connector. I'm gonna flip open the tape and open up.
Okay, so he said flip up the tape. Oh shit. And open up the connector. Could y'all see that? Yep, that's as zoomed in as y'all could get. But basically right here, next to my finger, I just flip the tape back. And there's a little thingy right here where you flip up and down. I just flipped it up. I flip up like towards me.
That clipper. So if you take a closer look.
So let me show y'all how he showed me. If you take a closer look, this right here, this little black tape, flip it back. It's a connector right there. And you're going to flip it up. You can push it down and you can push it up. Flip it up. Okay.
Here, that connector has a flex cable to your left.
Okay, hold up.
Slide it out.
So he say, slide your cable to the left. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me explain it. Okay, let's get up back up here. All right, so this little cable, it goes inside that little thing like a buckle, and then it's a thing on the outside. If you push it down, it locks it in place. So that's what we were flipping up so that we could pull it to the left and pull it out. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, I'll put y'all on to who I watch.
The next step is to get yourself a T3 screwdriver.
Hold on. Okay, he said get a T3, which is, by the way, he was wrong. He said a T5 for the outside screws. They didn't fit for mine. I had to use a T3. So.
Oh, sorry. I apologize.
We can't see what you want. Oh, he said
So get
T4.
yourself a
T4. I don't know if I got one of those. I got a T5, a T8, a T3. Okay, we're gonna go for the 3. We're gonna see what happens.
T4 screwdriver.
What you putting your screwdriver in? In that big old screw?
Screwdriver.
Okay. So he gonna take his screwdriver right here. Okay. A T5 is what I had to use.
Oh, sorry. I apologize. This is a T4.
Don't listen to him. Listen to me. Mine's have a T5.
And remove that screw. Okay, so remove the one screw. Now that the battery is disconnected.
Now your battery is disconnected from the motherboard.
Alright, so the next step
Okay.
I'd like to do is to remove the screw here at the bottom.
So we're gonna remove these
Using
screws.
a T4 screwdriver.
I'm gonna use my T3. Hold on, what are you using? He moving too fast. What screw?
Make sure you have the screwdriver. Next
Okay.
step you'd like to do is to remove the screw here at the bottom.
Okay.
Using a T4 screwdriver.
All these little black screws right here, he want me to remove them. Okay. So we're using again a T3 is what works for us. And I'm using my little magnet thingy. Make sure y'all put y'all screws in order. Some kind of order so that you know the way you took them out to put them back in that same way. Because they are different sizes. And I know this little piece comes out. Y'all see that? That little bar? Oh shit. Okay. Okay. 6 screws should be out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Okay.
You follow me so far?
Okay, now you want to remove this little black panel right here. Take my screwdriver. And I know that this bracket goes right above where I took that little bar from. So I'm going to put it back in the same place. I'm going to put it under it so I know exactly where it goes.
Be using a T4.
I'm using a T3.
I just removed the 2 screws.
Hold on, y'all. I got to get my screw. Okay.
And the bracket.
And I'm going to also grab my bracket. Okay. So, I know that these go together. Okay, so this is a connector, so we're going to pop it open. I'm going to just take my little thing. Boom. Popped it open. Okay. So this is what takes the information from the motherboard to your LCD. So this is what connects your screen. Don't be rough with this right here. Okay, so this right here is all your LCD board. So we're going to remove these black screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I'm using now is a T5 to remove those outside screws. Those black ones. that connects to. Okay, so this is the LCD board that we can remove. This is going to be on a new one, so that's it. So let's see what's next. So he's now about to take the brackets off. He uses a T4. I have a T3, so I'm just going to start in the corner and remove that little screw.
Remove the 2 screws. We are trying to get underneath that hinge.
Okay.
But before we can do that, we need to remove the plastic. So once you remove the 2 screws, now the plastic will just come right off.
Okay.
Make sure you put them on the side where you know that is for the left.
Okay. So let's do this. They go on the left. And remind y'all, it's important to keep these things together so that you know what go on what. Let's go on the right, and I'm just trying to keep mine in line with everything so I don't get confused. Anything that I feel like I'm not gonna see that shape or screws again, I just, you know, change it. I'll move it.
Okay.
So mine is a T8. I know y'all can't kind of. She don't want to focus. Okay, this is a T8 by 30 millimeter that I'm going to use to remove my hinges.
And remove all the.
Where I got the smallest one I have right here is is probably this 0.8. Okay, and I'm just going to be really gentle and careful.
So you want to make sure you have a good grip by inserting the tool all the way in. Have a good grip and turn it. And take your time, do not rush in this process.
And after I'm done removing every set of screws, I like to go back and count just to make sure I haven't lost anything or anything, because once I'm done and I close this up and we've done this correctly, hopefully we don't have to do it again. It's the prayer. Okay,
so it is okay if you mix match them, but the rest of it, do not mix match them. They're not the same.
okay.
All right,
So I should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. All right.
so once you have, because we need to get underneath that Wi-Fi connector. It's a little bit sticky because they use double.
Sir, this don't seem like what we should be doing. He said remove this sticker right here to get to your Wi-Fi, but it don't want to. And quite frankly, neither do I. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Wi-Fi thingy.
Lighted tape, okay, and I'll be using a T4. Remove this screw.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna use a T3. Okay, no, we ain't. T5, and remove the screw. Because they go to the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna put it right there with the Wi-Fi.
This screw here is holding down to your Wi-Fi connector. So you have 2 Wi-Fi connectors here. I would just tug it underneath and pop it straight up. Alright? So the connector is like...
So now that I have that, I'm going to just pop it straight up, like he said, just up. Alright, so he moving shit. So we're gonna pick up our Wi-Fi antenna. I don't want to pick this up. This is giving me anxiety. But okay. He's saying wiggle, what the hell?
And work your way out for you.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, y'all. This thingy. Okay. I needed to know it will come out. And do what?
Pay close attention to this one here. The Wi-Fi antenna is go in between that metal bracket, right? So you have to slide.
Okay, so you're gonna slide this out, but be careful and gentle and slow. Okay. Hopefully we did that right. So
Removing the 3 screws on the
big
left.
screws. That is a T8. We're the same on that. And the really big screws that
And
hold
3 screws on the right.
the bracket together.
Once you have done that part, now you can go ahead and open up your laptop.
Don't rush me, sir. Strong screw. Okay. I need my hair to go back in a bun. I'm stressed out. It's a storm, a wind tornado going on outside, and I'm over here doing this. Do what? Sir.
So that I can slide the hinge out of the base on that laptop, right? So
Oh.
you do that and do the same thing on the other side.
Wait a
Slide
minute.
it up.
Okay. He's saying open this junk perfectly, basically. Okay, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna just slide it out.
Back so that I can slide the hinge
Oh.
out of the
Okay.
base on that laptop, right? So you do
Okay.
that and do the same thing on the other side. Slide it up.
Okay. We got it out. We're gonna move that to the side. I'm gonna just.
Alright, so once you have slide up what's the reverse process here, so you want that the LCD board go on top of the laptop.
So
right?
all
You
of this
want
on top.
Cable, the 1 and 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3
Okay.
cable, you want them to be on top,
3 cables.
top
1,
of
2,
the
3.
laptop.
Top of
At
the
the same
laptop.
time, you want the hinge to slide back in
But I gotta
to the
put the
laptop. So what you want
hinge
to do is
into the laptop.
make sure the cable is sitting on top first, and now you come back and slide the hinge back in,
Do what?
both sides at the same time. Okay? Now once you're in at
Hold
the
on.
angle, go ahead and get your T8 screwdriver.
Hold on. I don't even remember how this came out. I think it just goes like that. Okay. Okay. I think this is how it goes. Make sure you have your cable back on top. 1, 2, 3. Make sure they are stretched and not like pinched or anything. Okay. Once we have that, we can close it back.
Once they're in at the angle, go ahead and get your T8 screwdriver. We are putting that 1 screw in. So let's put the screw back in.
Okay, so we're gonna close the hinges down now. And screw one screw, the middle screw, back in.
On the other side as well.
Just the middle one for now. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Just the screw in the middle.
Hopefully you guys can see it on this side.
So.
Alright, so I put one in on each side.
One on each side.
Check, make sure the cable is good. It's not clipped. It is above.
Check your cables.
On top of the
that is on top and above.
Great. Now I can close the screen.
Okay.
Alright, so what happened so far is we just change it up, right? And we put the screw here on one side and one on the other so that you can hold the hinge and I can close the screen. Now once the screen is closed, we can go back to the normal position and start finishing up the screen. So let's put 3 screws back on the right side of this hinge and 3 more screws here back onto the hinge.
Okay, so now you put all your hinges in.
Okay, so they're back in.
Okay, it's time to put this connector back in.
So remember I was telling you that it has to go back in, so let's go ahead and slide in between. Right,
okay.
Slide in between, and that little metal is supposed to be on top of the motherboard, okay?
Hold on, cause what? Shit. Let me see
So it
some.
looks like everything is good. Let me go ahead and slide in between, and that little metal is supposed to be on top of the motherboard.
Oh, okay, so all of this is
So it looks like
closed.
everything is good.
Okay. Alright, y'all, let's get these back in. Okay. Let's just slowly work it all back in. Okay. Okay. I think that's
It's helpful, and if you find this video helpful for you, please go ahead and give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe.
Hello, sir.
I do make a lot of computer repair tutorials, and hopefully
yeah, he did not show me his computer if it came on.
Alright, if you have any question, comment below.
If this don't come on, I'm gonna fall out. Cause now he leaving and then he was turn the computer on.
And again, I just wanted to say that if you're not sure where to buy the replacement part from, check out the Amazon link or the...
Oh Lord, that man did not tell me.
The computer needs power adapter to power up. So that is a little trick for you. If you have watched all the way here at the end and you try to turn on the laptop, press the power button, hey, I just changed the new screen. Why I have no display on my screen? Well, you need to have the power adapter, plug it in, and you hear the ding, ding, Apple sound, then there you go. You should have the screen.
Alright, y'all, so he's saying we gotta go plug it up. So let's go to our room. Alright, y'all, here's the moment of truth. They say to plug up an adapter or your power. Ah! Did I do it? Wait. My screen is back. Ah. Yeah. What you talking about? And boom. Just like that. MacBook screen replacement. Done. Yeah. So follow me for more tutorials. You know. My DIY Mrs. Handy Woman. Yeah. Period. We back in action. Bye. See you on the next one.
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want foreigns like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he bought.